What I like most about being an actor is it gives me a lot of time to spend with my boy and taking him to school, picking him up, coaching.
Anything fun at school happening today?
I'm all he has as far as his parents. I think the most special thing about the relationship I have with my son is that he is my whole world. He's my reason for persevering, my reason for breathing, my reason for living. He's my whole world, and everything I do is pretty much for him. Cold spring day, and I've been down to feel the temperature of the water, and a little 8-year-old named Josie pushed me from behind. My clothes, shoes, everything in my pockets. And as I'm being pushed into the pool, I was shallow into the pool, and I just hyperextended this.
All right, tell me about the symptoms you're having. Where's your pain?
Well, if I do this, it's like a clicking noise. That's
right on that side of the knee? Okay. So your MRI showed a medial meniscus tear, okay? I think at this point it's time to talk about surgery. And, we have several different surgical options.
My mind went to, man, this could be really bad. I feel like this might be a 6 to 8 month injury, crutches, not being able to work, not being able to do, everyday things, running around, walking. My fitness goals that I had, I knew were gonna be pushed back, taking care of my kid.
Yeah, I think the NanoNeedle is perfect for you because, the NanoNeedle, what we found is it gets patients back slightly quicker, okay? So at 2, 4, 6 weeks, they have improved outcomes. I thought the NanoNeedle would be a great option for Ryan because it's minimally invasive. It's much smaller than the traditional arthroscope used over the last 4 decades. The small design of the NanoNeedle and the associated instrumentation allows me to make smaller incisions, causing less swelling after the surgery. This leads to less pain post-operatively and an earlier return to activity and sport.
Like, there's no real scar. Like, I can't find it. That's how small they are.
Post-op day 1, he was able to squat. Within 2 weeks, he was back to most activities, and by 6 weeks out, he was playing basketball.
Sorry about your knee.
Me too. But it's better now.
I believe it was truly the reason why I was able to get back to my life so quickly. I mean, I had no scarring. There was no narcotics prescribed. I literally walked into my house right after surgery. If you're about to have surgery or you have a torn meniscus, I would say definitely ask your doctor about the Arthrex NanoNeedle. I feel like I'm able to do everything that I used to do before. The most rewarding part of the journey for me was just being able to get back so quickly to being a dad